Hi everyone, we're going to talk about three verbs with very similar meanings today: hire, rent, and let. I'm mainly going to explain how we use these verbs in British English, but I will also mention some American usage too. Both rent and hire mean to pay for the use of something. However, in British English, we normally use the verb rent to talk about a long-term arrangement. For example, you can rent a house, flat, or TV. When talking about a short-term arrangement, we normally use the verb hire. For example, you could hire a car, a bike, or a suit. The difference in American English is that the verb rent can be used for both long and short-term arrangements. The verb hire has a completely different meaning. It's used to mean to employ somebody. Finally, we have the verb let. You might hear this word in the phrase room to let, for example, which means that the room is available to rent. Thanks for joining us, everybody. Bye.